What is the unit circle? The unit circle is a circle with a radius of 1 centered at the origin of a Cartesian coordinate system. What are the coordinates of the point where the unit circle intersects the x-axis? The coordinates are 1, 0, and -1, 0. What are the coordinates of the point where the unit circle intersects the y-axis? How many degrees are in one full revolution around the unit circle? 360 degrees. How many radians are in one full revolution around the unit circle? There are 2 pi radians in one full revolution. What are the trigonometric functions sine and cosine on the unit circle? The cosine function gives the x-coordinate of a point on the unit circle, and the sine function gives the y-coordinate. What are the values of sine and cosine at 0 degrees, or 0 radians? The cosine is 1, and the sine is 0. What are the values of sine and cosine at 90 degrees, or pi by 2 radians? The cosine is 0, and the sine is 1. What are the values of sine and cosine at 180 degrees, or pi radians? The cosine is -1, and the sine is 0. What are the values of sine and cosine at 270 degrees, or 3 pi by 2 radians? The cosine is 0, and the sine is -1. What are the values of sine and cosine at 360 degrees, or 2 pi radians? The cosine is 1, and the sine is 0. What is the relationship between sine and cosine values on the unit circle? The square of the sine of an angle plus the square of the cosine of the same angle equals 1. What is the reciprocal of the cosine function called? The reciprocal of the cosine function is called the secant function. What is the reciprocal of the sine function called? The reciprocal of the sine function is called the cosecant function.